Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Pro to remove backgrounds. This fantastic feature allows you to instantly isolate subjects from their surroundings, perfect for product photos, profile pictures, or creative compositions. It's a real time saver, transforming your images in just a few clicks. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to achieve a clean, professional look for all your designs. Once you're in the Canva editor, the first step is to get your image onto the canvas. You can easily upload a photo from your computer or phone by dragging and dropping it, or by using the Uploads tab. If you're using one of Canva's stock photos, simply search for it and add it to your design. It's super straightforward to get started. With your image selected on the canvas, look for the Edit Photo button at the top of your screen. Clicking this will reveal several editing tools. You'll then see the BG Remover option. Give that a click. Canva's artificial intelligence will then work its magic, automatically detecting the subject and removing the background in a matter of seconds. It's truly impressive how fast it works. After the initial removal, you might want to refine the edges. Canva provides erase and restore brushes, allowing you to manually adjust any areas that need a little touch-up. You can easily change the brush size for more precision. Once you're happy with the result, click Done and then download your image. For transparent backgrounds, always choose the PNG file type for the best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.